Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are staying safe and are in good health. Sending lots of prayers to those having tough time dealing with COVID. My co-sister Sabeena is carrying and she's in her 7th month. We do have a tradition of sending sweets or any other what they love to have. I had been thinking of preparing something for her for some time. So it was on this day when we went to my in-laws for Ifthar. We actually had a family Iftar plan with everyone joining. We, my sister-in-law and family, my brother-in-laws and family along with parents. But due to the current COVID situation, it had to be dropped to be on a safer side. On this day, it was just us visiting them. Before leaving, I prepared a sweet snack for Sabeena, which in fact we all could have while breaking our fast. Heat a pan, preferably non-stick. Use ghee, which tastes better than oil. Fry some nuts and raisins. Here I've used chopped cashews, almonds and few raisins. First fry the cashews and almonds and later add the raisins as the raisins pop up quickly and can burn easily. So do fry the raisins at the end. Now to bind the mixture, you will need a batter. Into a blender goes in 1 cup all-purpose flour, that's maida. Then goes half cup milk powder, some salt, half cup oil, preferably sunflower oil, 1 cup water. Now instead of half cup milk powder and 1 cup water, you may add 1 cup fresh milk. Then add 4 or 5 eggs. Blend the mix well and you need to get a smooth batter in this consistency. It should be thick at the same time a bit runny. Remove some ghee from the pan and place a tawa or something like this so that the dish doesn't burn easily. Pour half the batter, spread evenly and keep that covered for around 3 or 4 minutes. Now for the filling, I had cut few cashews in half for garnishing on top, but that's optional. So removing those and some more mixed nuts and raisins. Into the rest of the mix, add grated coconut and sugar. Mix well. Now instead of the sweet version, you can make it spicy by adding chicken or any meat fillings like you make for samosa fillings. If you're a vegetarian, you may use soya bean as an option. Now spread the sweet coconut mix on top. Then pour the rest of the batter on top in an even manner. Garnish on top with mixed nuts and raisins. Keep that on very low flame and let that cook for at least 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, use a toothpick or skewer to see if it has cooked well in the middle. Mine was cooked in 30 minutes. We got fresh and straight went to my in-laws by afternoon. After a couple of hours, we started our preparation for Ifthar. The menu was paratha that's traditionally prepared, idiyappam and chicken kuruma, and as a snack, prepared a steamed dish. Now to prepare idiyappam or rice rotis, the dough preparation is the same. Here mom takes 1.5 cup water for every 1 cup rice flour. We jointly prepare food and not one person is put on burden. Neither mom takes advantage of us being daughter-in-laws. She equally, or I can say, works harder than us in the kitchen. My co-sisters and even my sister-in-law Shabna, we prepare food together when we all join, and that keeps our bond strong and healthy. We don't prepare food for iftar all the time like this, but there would be juice, snack and a dinner meal every day for iftar. It would be really simple some days, and if it is being prepared this way, it should be because someone has come home for iftar, and today it was us. For the snack, the filling is with chicken. It was in the freezer, so by the time the ice melts completely, preparing the masala for it. Heat some coconut oil, in goes crushed ginger and garlic. Let that fry a bit. Then add chopped onion. Here we are preparing in large quantity, so in the description box I have provided the quantity for less amount. Keep on low flame and keep covered for the onions to cook till soft. After 5 minutes of cooking, goes in chopped green chilies and curry leaves. Meanwhile, mom was preparing idiyappam or the string hoppers. This is really tasty when made with very tiny holes in the idiyappam maker. It's a healthy dish we often prepare as this is steamed. It goes really well with chicken or meat curry. This is one of our favorite breakfast dish, and we also have it with vegetable kurma or egg curry. To the onion mix, add black pepper powder and garam masala powder. I used to share some tip from my mother-in-law when I'm here, and today's tip is, if you're using aluminium pressure cooker for steaming anything, usually after water boils, the cooker at the bottom goes to a darker color, almost a black color, and to avoid that, add some lemon pieces. This is a lemon that was used after squeezing out the juice for lemonade. The cooker won't go black, instead it would shine more. Add chopped coriander leaves into the onion. I switched off the flame for the time being and kept it covered. Meanwhile, took some chicken pieces and that goes into the pressure cooker to save time. It's for the chicken filling. To this add salt, turmeric powder, black pepper powder and some water. Cook for 3 whistles so that the chicken becomes really soft and is easy to remove from the bones. Meanwhile, cleaning the rest of the chicken for curry. Preparing chicken kurma and beginning with heating some coconut oil. In goes green chili slit and then sliced onion. Let onion be a bit soft, so keep on low flame and cover. Then goes ginger and garlic paste. I added some more oil as it was needed. Now it's time to take out the onion mix and grind. I changed to a bigger size grinder as I need to add soaked cashews and some water to make it a paste. Add some more oil if needed. Add whole spices which includes cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, mace and star anise. Add the ground paste and mix well. To this add coriander powder, that's fennel seeds powder. When the raw smell leaves, add thin extract of coconut milk. This is the second extract where we add more water to the already extracted coconut. The first extract, which is thick, will be kept aside for adding at the end. Now the chicken needs to be cooked in the second extract. Add some salt. Cover and let the chicken get cooked. Forgot to add earlier, that's crushed black pepper. Mix and cover till the chicken is cooked. Now for the paratha, use 2:1 ratio where 2 parts of all-purpose flour is used and 1 part wheat flour. Add some ghee. Mix some salt and use room temperature water to make a soft dough. Chicken is cooked really well and it's soft. Now it's time to add thick coconut milk or the first extract. Once you add the first extract, do not boil it. Just when it reaches the boiling point, switch off the flame. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves. And chicken kuruma is done. Now the cooked chicken need to be crushed in a food processor. If you're using a blender, make sure it's just pulsed and doesn't become a paste. Heat the onion mix and add the chicken into it. Mix really well. For the steamed snack, the dough is same as preparing the idiyappam or rice rotis, but the size of each dough ball would be bigger. It won't be as thin as rice roti. Press to make it flat and a bit thick. We use this leaf for steaming. You may also use banana leaf. All the dough balls are flattened and placed on the leaves. The chicken masala is then spread on each, and it's easy this way so that no filling remains left out. Time to close each and make sure you press it well, or there are chances it would open. Place it on the steamer, and here mom is using the same idiyappam steamer. You can place it on an idli steamer too. Keep on high flame. Once the steam comes, reduce the flame to low and cook for 7 or 8 minutes. Even if you don't have any leaves, you can use aluminum foil, and even that is not necessary, but there are chances that the dough might break if you don't use anything. Time to roll the paratha. Spread some oil and flour. Fold to square. Then spread some more oil and again fold from 4 sides. Roll to a square paratha. And then this is deep fried. Time for Ifthar. Everyone tasted the sweet snack prepared for Sabeena. I am not a sweet snack fan, hence I ate more of the steamed snack. At my in-laws, dinner is had either at the time of breaking fast or sometimes after prayer. So later we all sat to have dinner. To avoid deep fried items, I went for idiyappam and chicken kuruma, which tasted the best. And that's all for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. Do try the recipes and let me know your feedback. Stay safe everyone and take good care. See you all with another video. Until then, bye-bye.